Want to know 5 features in Lumafusion that you didn't know exist? In this video, I'm going to share with you where it is. Let's go! First up is time-lapse. I didn't know before, it can do time-lapse, but apparently you can do time-lapse videos. If you shoot your video, your time-lapse sequence, you can bring it in to Lumafusion, and Lumafusion can make a time-lapse video for you. How good is that? You didn't know it exists, right? I'll show you. Okay, let's play. Now this is all photos. Okay, I have 200 photos here. This is my setup. Okay, at home. Okay, that's roughly there. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay. Now the way you do it is very simple. Okay, this is each individual photo, as you can see here. Now, what you do is you change the global settings before you bring the photo in. You change the global setting to 1 frame. Okay, go to global settings. See right there, right? Photos, 1 frame, and it should help you do that straight away. Okay, that's how easy it is to do time lapse. So as you see here, right here, it's all photos. Now let me bring in another one so you know what I'm talking about. That's all photos right there. You can, after that, you can render it out, send out to a video, 4K, doesn't matter. And you will bring back to Lumafusion, and you can play with pan and zoom. But right now, just 1 photo, you can't do much, okay? You can't do pan and zoom. Now, when you do your shooting, your time-lapse shooting, shoot to the max of your camera resolution. RAW or JPEG, doesn't matter. RAW, you have to do some post-processing in Lightroom, some program like that. If it's JPEG, you can bring it straight in. You don't have to rename it, it will work straight away, okay? Just 1 photo, okay? Each one. Now this here is all my JPEG photos, so go there, boom, similar setup. Turn this on, double click on that, boom. Now just drag it on like you normally would, boom. And then now I have another, right there, the white spot right there. That is my JPEG. Okay, let's play JPEG photos, and you have, okay, that's how I set up my left mic, boom, boom. And you can render this out, and that's it. That's how easy it is. Okay, that's number 1. Now the next thing that Lumafusion can do is do a credit roll. Okay, so a text roll up like that. Or I can use this, or you can use this as a teleprompter. I have told Lumafusion, Lumatouch, about a bug in this application. So let me show you what happened. Okay, so let's play. Basically it's move up like that, okay? So this is some kind of new improvement that they made. Pause it. Now that's how easy it is to do, okay? So the text must be all in one place, like that, okay? If you go outside, okay, like that, right, it will not work. The text must be inside this frame here, which is disappointing, okay? Can't I just move, okay, the keyframe? Let's go back to the keyframe right here, right? This must be in here. The keyframe, when you start a credit roll, right, it's like from the bottom of the screen and it's moved up. But Lumatouch can't do it, okay? You have to be on the screen for it to work. And you just do basically a keyframe like that, okay? So you see the move, okay? See the move there, boom. So you just move the position up like that. However, since this is not on the screen, it will not work. So it has to be on the screen like this, okay? The text must be on the screen for it to work. You can use this as a credit roll, but the best way to use it, if you have another iPad, is to use this as a teleprompter. You can plug this into a big monitor using a HDMI port right here, and you can use this as a big teleprompter. Every time you do a record, you just go halfway, okay, and you basically just read in front whatever is on the TV, the big monitor. So that's another hidden feature that you didn't know exists to you. Now that's number 2. Now number 3 is what I call a stack effects. Let me show you. Okay, right now I have around 2 or 3 effects in one place. Now how I do that is basically, let me go to your color and effects. Now I have a fog, I have a circular, I have a pixie pitch, number 2. So all these settings, I've done some work to it. Now you can play around with the effects, hold on to this one and move the effects around. And it'll give you a different effect. Just play and see how it goes. You like that? No? Okay, then move this around again. Okay, you stack the effect up. So now you change the effects to different kind of hue. Don't like that? Okay, change it again. Move to down here. Okay, play. And you can do a lot more to it, okay? As long I haven't tried to max out this yet, okay? But there's certain kind of effort and rewards, okay? So play with it and you know what can you do with it. This is just a simple one, what I did. Let's move this back. Hold on to that. Okay, I like this look. Okay. Now cool is that? Okay, so this is the effect. Also, I also put in a color, okay, in the middle right there. Okay, and I think I changed the blending mode to overlay as well. So you can play with the blending mode as well. So that is number 3. Okay, stack effect for your next enjoyment to play with Lumafusion. You've probably seen this before somewhere on the net already, but it's twins, okay? Let me show you. So this is my brother here, my twin brother.
Hey, how are you? How are you, my friend?
What's your name?
How are you? How are you? Yeah, good.
Okay.
You good? How are you?
It's not a perfect cutout, okay? But the process is very simple. Let me show you. What I did was I just stack it up, shoot it into both sides. Then I just use a overlay, okay? Color effect, this one right here. I use a blending mode. I change it to multiply, right there, multiply, and it will change it. Let me change back to, there you go, disappear, okay? Move it back, 100%. Now, when I did this shooting, the background is not clean. If I had a clean background, right there, right, with the picture on the wall, then I will have a perfect cutout. And if you use this blending mode, multiply, you can use color burn as well, but multiply or darken. But I found multiply to be the most effective. I'm gone, my twin brother is gone, now he's back. Very simple, okay? Now that is number 4, multiply mode to make into a twin. Now, do you want to get a sharper image in Lumafusion? You can, okay? I'll show you this trick that I learned years ago, okay? And it works like a charm. This is the effect. It's really subtle.
How are you?
Okay, let me turn off the effect. Let's see how it goes. Okay, undo. Now, this effect is very simple. Go to your color and effects, and I apply a Gaussian blur. Okay, 100% Gaussian blur. Right there, right? Gaussian blur, go here, 100% Gaussian blur. Apply it, and you use the blend mode again. So without that, go to blend mode, fragment switch, blending mode, turn into a soft light, and change it to opacity to 50%. Yeah, that's it. That is the effect. Now, this one have a dreamy, soft, and sharp at the same time. So it's called a dreamy look. But the way you can trick people to show that it's more sharper, or I can see only the sharp part first. So if you do this trick, your eye will naturally go to the thing that is sharpest. Okay, so that's the trick right there. Now I did this with the volcano right here. Similar trick. Let me switch it off. Okay, that's the normal photo. Let me expand now. Okay. That's the explosion. Now, let me apply the trick. Is it sharper? I don't know. Very subtle, as I said before, very subtle. Okay. Now, learn that trick and you will find that you have a sharper photos. Also, you can always change the opacity, the blending mode. Play with the opacity, okay? To get sharper photos, that is with no blending, okay, 0%. Change the opacity, play with the around with opacity. Okay, what I found is 30% or 50% is good for overlay or soft light. That works as well. Use soft overlay or soft light. Overlay is good, 50%, something around there, done. Okay. You can play with that the opacity to make how it looks. Okay. Now that is just a few features that is in Lumafusion that you didn't know existed. Some you have heard before, but some you never heard of. Okay. Try it out for yourself and see how it goes. Okay. Really easy, especially the time lapse. Change the global settings, drag it on, you're good to go. Want to know how to do time lapse? Check this video out right here. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.